Good morning, guys. We're gonna go canoeing in Beavers Bend State Park. Check that out. See how much fun that is. Do some trails, some other cool adventures. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you down the road. Here we go. All right, we're here. It was what, $12 for an hour? $13 for an hour, which isn't too bad. So this is the little boat area. All right, I'm gonna get back on when I get in the water. Hopefully I don't fall in. Peaceful. It's really pretty around here. All the trees. No fall foliage yet, though. This is fun. Kayak's not that expensive. Get a little exercise. Be one with nature. They also have paddle boards too, if you're into paddle boarding. Paddle boats. I'll show you one here in a minute. I'm fixing to pass one. I don't know if you can see him yet, but they're fixed to be on my left here. See him? Morning. Looks like you can fit 4 people. 2 people paddling. 2 people enjoying the scenery. So you have this little area. You go to the bridge, I guess, and paddle back. About an hour. But it's fun. I recommend it. It's peaceful. Whole family can enjoy it if you want. They also have 2-man or 2 people kayaks. water's not that deep, but it's cold. So if you fall in, you might just have to stand up. They provide life jackets. You don't have to wear them if you are under the age of 12, or over the age of 12, sorry. So you have to paddle. You can paddle all the way to this little bridge over here and have to turn around. I guess we're downstream because the waterfall's facing me, so you can hear the water running. I don't know if you can hear it on camera. See, the water's pretty clear actually. That's where we just came from. And always the fun part, going back, right? But if you're in Broken Bow and come to the state park, you have to pay $10 parking, but it's all for all day, which isn't too bad. I guess helps preserve the park. But it's pretty peaceful out here. Not a lot of people yet, so that's nice. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. Like I say all the time, like, subscribe, it helps my channel. I know it's a baby channel, but one day hopefully it'll turn into a big channel. I went to the maze yesterday. They have a maze in Broken Bow, or Hochtown, and it was an awesome video, but then my GoPro decided to eat my memory card and all that footage is gone. But there's a cool maze. I recommend it. It's like $34 or something, $43 or something for 2 people, but they offer military discounts, first responder discounts, so it's fun. It's a fun little way to get away from everybody, close enough to civilization. So hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm gonna keep paddling. always the hard part, right? What do you guys think so far? Beautiful place, isn't it? Relaxing, beautiful. Well, I guys hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment below what things you've done down here if you ever come over to Broken Bow State Park, Beavers Bend. Hope you guys enjoy it. I think we're gonna go on a couple more hikes and distillery tour later today. Today is our last full day. We're leaving tomorrow morning, but hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.